Group 5. So, are you ready for the last spelling test of this term? Can you write 1 to 20 on a piece of paper so that you're ready? Pause the video and press play again when you're ready to begin. Okay, so this week we've been looking at the plural IES. For example, baby turns into babies with IES at the end. The first 10 spellings will have the plural IES. So make sure you have those letters in every single word. Are you ready? You can do it. Number 1 is babies. There are 2 babies. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. Number 2 is cities. There are 2 cities. Number 3, tricky one, countries. There are 2 countries. Number 4 is fairies. There are 2 fairies. Number 5 is ladies. There are 2 ladies. Number 6 is hobbies. I have 2 hobbies. Number 7 is puppies. There are 2 puppies. Number 8 is ponies. There are 2 ponies. Tricky spelling. Number 9 is memories. I have lots of memories. Fred, talk each sound. And number 10, tricky spelling, is enemies. I have 2 enemies. Well done. Now, before we go on to the next 10, just take a moment to reflect on your spellings so far. Do they all end in our spelling rule for this week, IES? Remember, when there's more than one of the thing I've just told you, it always ends in IES. Baby takes away the Y and adds IES. City, take away the Y and add IES. Take a moment to reflect. Do all of your spellings end in IES? If not, you might want to change them now. Okay, let's go on to our second spelling rule that we've been looking at this week. We've been looking at words that end in LY. We take off the E and we add LY to make it an adverb. Are you ready? Number 11. Cuddly. My teddy bear is very cuddly. Number 12. Gently. I gently stroke my cat. Gently. Number 13. Sparkly. The diamond is super sparkly. Spell sparkly. Number 14. Wriggly. The worm is very wriggly. Number 15. Wrinkly. When I get older, my skin becomes wrinkly. Spell wrinkly. Number 16. Simply. I simply can't wait for spring break. Spell simply. Number 17. Tricky one. Possibly. I possibly might go swimming during spring break. Spell possibly. Number 18. Horribly. Oh, my lesson went horribly. Spell horribly. Number 19. Possibly. Oh, we've already had possibly. Have another try. Whoopsie. Possibly. I possibly might go swimming again. Spell possibly again. Got a second chance to get it correct. And the last spelling, number 20. Trickiest one. Are you ready? Comfortably. I hope you're sitting comfortably. Fred, talk each sound. K, o, f. Have a try. Okay, let's get ready to mark our spellings. If you want to pause the video and look at the screen to mark your spellings, you can. Or you can listen to me, whatever is easiest for you. Number 1 was babies. Now remember, they all end in IES. B-A-B-I-E-S. Number 2, cities. C-I-T-I-E-S. Number 3 was countries. C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Number 4 was fairies. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Number 5 was ladies. L-A-D-I-E-S. Number 6 was hobbies. H-O-B-B-I-E-S. Number 7 was puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Number 8 was ponies. P-O-N-I-E-S. Number 9 was memories. M-E-M-O-R-I-E-S. Number 10 was enemies. E-N-E-M-I-E-S. How did you do? Did you remember the I-E-S? Let's get ready for our L-Y words now. Number 11 was cuddly. C-U-D-D-L-Y. Number 12 was gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y. Number 13 was sparkly. S-P-A-R-K-L-Y. Number 14. Oh, did you remember that W at the beginning to make the R sound? W-R-I-G-G-L-Y. Number 15. We've got that W sound again. Wrinkly. W-R-I-N-K-L-Y. Number 16, simply. S-I-M-P-L-Y. Number 17, possibly. P-O-S-S-I-B-L-Y. Number 18, horribly. H-O-R-R-I-B-L-Y. Number 19, possibly. P-O-S-S-I-B-L-Y. And the last spelling, comfortably. It's a big one. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-Y. How did you do? Can you write your score out of 20 for your teacher to see nice and clearly on your page and circle it so it really stands out? If you've still got time and it's not 9:30 yet, I would like you to choose 5 of your trickiest spellings and write them in sentences. It's important that we practice these again so that we're super duper confident. Even if you got them all correct, choose the ones that you think you could do with a little bit more practice on, just to make sure you're extra confident at remembering it in the future. If it's 9:30, then it's time to relax. Put your feet up, have your break, and get ready for your teacher to call you again for your next lesson. Well done, everyone!